Okay guys, I got message from many of you asking me to show you a simple beginner-friendly method to make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. And today I'm going to show you exactly that. I'm going to show you how you can make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing with the help of free tools, and I'm going to show you how you can use those free tools. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Second thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use Digistore24, but you can use ClickBank, Share a Sale, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or any other affiliate network. And like I said, second thing you need to do, you need to choose a niche. So let's say, for example, that I'm in keto niche. So here I will search keto and press enter. And here you can see there are plenty of keto related products that you can promote. So let's just say, for example, I wish to promote this product here, custom keto diet. Now here you can see I can make 24 euros per sale on average. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to go on Google, and then here I simply need to search keto diet, for example, keto diet, okay? Keto diet, and then press enter. So now what I need to do, I actually need to check these websites here. So for example, let's just say I wish to check this website here, 20 foods to eat on a keto diet. I will simply open this website. So what I need to do, I need to check this website to see, is this actually a good article? Is this a good website? So it is. So next thing I need to do, I simply need to copy this link here, Control C, and the next thing I need to do, I need to go on Google Keyword Planner, and I need to paste that link here, and then I need to click here, use only this page. Click here, get results. And now Google Keyword Planner will tell me which keywords these guys here are actually targeting in this particular article. And those keywords actually help them rank on first page on Google. That is really important for us. So when I go back here I can see all the keywords that these guys are targeting. And not just that, here I can see search volume for each of these keywords. And here I can see competition. As you can see here, medium, high, medium, medium. Now those are not good keywords because we cannot actually rank on first page on Google. I'm actually looking for low competition. Here you can see low competition, low carb, high fat. Okay, that is a keyword for us. We need to also best keto foods, keto diet plan for weight loss. Here you can see competition is low. So those are our keywords. We wish only a low competition keywords. Also, what I can do, I can actually go back here and I can install Harpa AI. That is free ChatGPT app. Okay, and I can press Alt A on keyboard, and here you can see I activated Harpa AI. Okay, so what I actually need to do, I need to find specific option here. So let me just find here. Okay, extract and research SEO keywords. I need to click here, and then I need to click here. I need to /, press enter, page text, and press enter. And here you can see Harpa AI is analyzing this article here. They are analyzing which keywords they are actually targeting. They are analyzing density and LSI keywords. That is important for us. So what I can do, I can simply go back here on ChatGPT and I can ask it to write me article targeting these keywords here and also these keywords here with low competition, and to write me an article about those keywords. So I can simply say something like this. For example, here you can see I added these keywords here that I found here, and also I added some keywords that I found on Keyword Planner, on Google Keyword Planner. And also I told ChatGPT, let me just scroll here, to use this article as a reference. And also I told ChatGPT to target these keywords here and also to sprinkle them naturally through article. That is really, really important. And all I have to do now is just click here, and now ChatGPT will write this article for me. So next thing we need to do, we need to publish this article somewhere. Now I know that many YouTubers and many other guys are telling you that you should publish this article, that you should actually do Medium.com affiliate marketing. Now here is the problem with Medium affiliate marketing. Medium doesn't rank articles that contain affiliate links on Google anymore. So basically that is useless. Medium is useless when it comes to affiliate marketing now. So what you can do is you can simply publish this article on vocal.media. Vocal.media is exactly the same like Medium.com, but they do rank articles that contain affiliate links on Google, and that is why you should use vocal.media. And I will actually not show you how to publish articles on Vocal Media because it is really simple. If you know how to publish articles on medium.com, you will know how to publish articles on vocal.media. But I will tell you this is really important. When you publish your article, this is one of the articles that I published on vocal.media. When you publish your article, on the bottom, you need to add an affiliate disclaimer. You need to say something like this. You need to say that this article contains affiliate links. Okay, that is really important because otherwise your article won't be approved. And that is why you need to add an affiliate disclaimer. And also, Vocal Media, just like medium.com, has a big authority on Google, but that doesn't mean that this article will automatically rank on Google, okay? So what you need to do, you need to start building backlinks, you need to start driving some initial traffic to this article. So you need to start building backlinks toward this link to help it rank on first page on Google. You need to start sharing this article on related Facebook groups. You need to share it on Twitter, on Reddit, on Tumblr, on related forums. You need to share it on related blogs. Simply find related blogs, then leave a comment and leave a link to your vocal.media article. Like I said, that is something that many people don't do. They simply think we published that article and that is it. We finished our work. It is not like that. You must build backlinks. You must drive initial traffic. Otherwise, your article probably won't rank on first page on Google. But that is why you need to do this. And then in about a month or two, your article will rank on first page on Google. You will start getting clicks. You will start making money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. And like I said, medium.com affiliate marketing doesn't work anymore. That is why you need to use vocal.media. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.